I request all the faculty members of class 10 to please come on the stage. All the faculty members of class 10, please come on the stage.
See, talent is important, but it is dedication and consistency that truly make a difference. I would like to thank Director Sir and Principal Ma'am for their blessings and support. Thank you.
Very good morning, one and all present over here. Respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, and all learned teachers. Really, this is a very delightful moment for us. And also, Anvisha has made all her teachers proud, and this institution honored by her hard work and dedication. Dear children, always remember in life that always try, do your level best and forget the rest. आप जो बेहतर कर सकते हो वो करो, आप फल की चिंता छोड़ दो। एक महाभारत का संस्मरण है छोटा सा, जिसको विदुर नीति भी कहते हैं। जब महाराज धृतराष्ट्र, जब महाभारत की स्थिति बनने लगी, तनाव बढ़ने लगा और स्थिति ये हुई कि अब उस पर कोई नियंत्रण नहीं हो सकता है, युद्ध अवश्यंभावी हो गया है। तो महाराज धृतराष्ट्र ने पूछा विदुर से कि धर्म की रक्षा कैसे हो। तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी बात कही विदुर ने कि सत्येन रक्षिते धर्मो, योगेन रक्षिते विद्या, मृज्या रक्षिते रूपम, कुलम वृत्तेन रक्षिते। बच्चों, इसमें 4 जीवन का मूल मंत्र है। धर्म की रक्षा सदैव सत्य से होती है, सत्य ही धर्म की रक्षा करता है और धर्म का बहुत ही व्यापक अर्थ है। आज आप विद्यार्थी हो तो आपके लिए धर्म आपके विद्यार्थी जीवन का पालन करना है। और योगेन रक्षिते विद्या, योगेन से मतलब है अभ्यास से। हम स्टडी की रक्षा, अपने ज्ञान की, अपने नॉलेज की रक्षा तभी कर सकते हैं जब हम सतत अध्ययनशील हो, हम प्रैक्टिस करते रहें। मृज्या रक्षितम रूपम, मृज्या से मतलब है स्वच्छता से। आपका ये परिसर है कितना बढ़िया है। I remember I admitted Anvisha here in 2013. It is more than 1 decade. तो ये परिसर है, आप जिसको जितना स्वच्छ रखेंगे, इसकी रूप, इसकी सुंदरता तभी कायम रहेगी, तभी सुरक्षित रहेगी, संरक्षित रहेगी जब आप नियम का पालन करेंगे। गार्बेज कहाँ डालना है, इसको हम कैसे स्वच्छ रखें, कैसे हम पूरे अपने परिसर को नीट एंड टाइडी रखें। कुलम वृत्तेन रक्षिते, और कुल की रक्षा वृत्तेन यानी कि सद्वृत्ति से, सद्विचार से, सद्गुण से, सच्चरित्र से होता है। तो हमेशा अपना चरित्र बनाइए और फेल्योर से कभी घबराना नहीं चाहिए। फेल्योर्स और नॉट सेटबैक्स, फेल्योर्स और स्टेपिंग स्टोन्स। डोंट फियर देम, embrace the challenges, learn from experiences and continue to go forward with confidence. Thank you. And once more, I want every children to give a big hand of applause for all our respected teachers. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I would like to invite Director Sir for his blessings to all those who are standing and watching. We want to speak for
Good morning, children. It is a moment of immense pleasure, pride for all of us who are standing here. Today we are not honoring, not felicitating only the marks on mark sheet, but we are celebrating, we are honoring discipline, we are honoring self-belief, we are honoring curiosity, we are honoring perseverance. These all are the qualities of a topper. Anvesha, your name today is written in golden words on a walls, and more importantly, in the heart of our students, your juniors, those who are standing here watching this celebration, and they are getting inspiration that why not? We also can do this, it is possible. And I hope, I wish next year in this session 26, 27 we'll get CBSE topper. They are not special, they are Anvesha. They only are Anvesha. They are Siddharth. So we hope that we will have CBSE topper. And really, Anvesha, you have made us proud. Always I say to you people that accept road, there is no shortcut for the success. Only one thing, don't indulge in procrastination. The work, the task has been assigned to you for today. Do or die for that. Complete that. Because bulk of work leads to failure, which you never like to have in your life. So please try to be the better version of yourself. Daily think that I have been qualified myself, improved myself. If in my vocab 4 words were there, new, then today 5th word must be added. And then there start using in your sentences, your conversation, until use of the things. It is not at all practical and it enhances your personality also. Day by day, learning short efforts, small efforts, bring big achievements. And you know I know your potential, and under the guidance, nothing is impossible. And here today I am very happy, more than happy, I am overwhelmed. I would like to put with the sir's permission, I take liberty to speak 2 lines in Hindi, because this is very important. Temple of Goddess Saraswati, and all the teachers, all the toppers, all the good ones must be ready to support for other children, those who are willing to know the things. It is not so that I am not the subject teacher, I cannot. If I can help, I must help. If I put in art, I am not teaching art, but then too, if any child comes, I have some idea, I must share with them. I would like to quote 2 lines here. सरस्वती तेरे कोश की पड़ी अपूरा भार, जो जो खर्चे त्यों बढ़े, बिन खर्चे घट जा. So until your knowledge you will not share with others, it will be confined to you. People will not remember you for your achievements, talent. So keep on sharing, keep on learning, keep on doing work, and this is only the key of success. I congratulate, I salute parents of Anvesha and all the fraternity members of whole primary onward, those who are teaching children, and I salute all and have a blessed day ahead, children. Thank you.
A very heartfelt thank you to all of them for inspiring us with their valuable words. With this, we conclude this segment, and truly the spirit at the Pillars Public School continues to shine.
Attention. Now I would like to call the choir group to take their position. Attention. Can we get ready for the national anthem? Salute. Down.